pwede patulak lang. Walang battery eh. Dali, ano ko lang. Nahihina yung battery. Hi guys, welcome back. Ayun, natuluyan na talaga ang palit ng battery natin. Yun nga, I was talking about it kanina. Ang weird na activation pa yung battery. Ang pagkaalam ko rin, based on what the manufacturer said also, is pretty much kung bago yung battery, as soon as you put the fluids in, it's ready to use. Pero dito sa dealer na to, they want to make sure that it reaches 100% before they sell it. Well, I do understand their point, no? Pero paano kung, yun nga sabi ko, paano kung emergency nga na naubusan ako ng battery, I need the battery to get home. Hindi rin pwede kasi gusto nila 3 hours at minimum to charge it. Yung akin lang, medyo naswertehan kasi they had some batteries that were activated. Well, hopefully, I'm trying to look at it as swerte ako because I don't want to think na luma yung battery na binigay sa akin, di ba? Pero meron naman sila binigay na resibo, so it should cover it still with warranty. So they tried to charge it additional kasi nung dumating ako doon, the battery was around 70+% lang when they tested it. And so I stayed there for about an hour and then they charged it. Umakyat na mga 84%. Sabi ko, kailangan ko na umalis. So sabi nila, sige, kabit na natin. So 84% kinabit nila. And according to, well, they didn't say anything na hindi covered ng warranty yan. So they still gave me the receipt and they told me kahit photo lang covered na receipt. If anything good that happened in here is ang sarap ng lunch ko. Mura pa. Sobrang mura. I'm actually surprised. I was expecting to pay mahigit 200. My lunch, medyo na over-order nga ako kasi medyo natakam ako eh. I ordered the humba, pero yung humba nila comes with, what do you call this? May isang lechon kawali na kasama doon sa parang humba nila eh. So, matamis-tamis siya pero not too sweet. It's surprisingly not that sweet. Tapos may kasama siya isang piniritong lechon kawali na actually lasa siya. Ano ba yung binibenta ni bata na pares? May pagkaganon na matamis-tamis eh. Ganon yung lasa niya pero kumba. Yung pork knuckles lang, ay yung pata lang medyo matigas pa pero edible naman, medyo chewy ng konti pero okay lang. Pero masarap ha. Nasarapan ako doon, yung tamis tama lang. Tapos I ordered dinuguan ang dami, 50 pesos lang. Nasa order ako ampalaya, 2 rice. Kaya medyo na over yung order ko, hindi ko nga naubos yung rice eh. 1.5 lang nakain kong rice. Yung dinuguan, hindi ko na rin maubos. Yung ampalaya, hindi ko na rin maubos. What I forgot is since karinderya to, pwede pala dapat ako nag-order ng half order lang. Di ba pwede ka mag-order ng half gulay, half ulam, half rice. Dapat yun ang ginawa ko. Pero lahat yun 174 pesos lang. Grabe, sobrang mura. I know it's for someone who's so used to eating in Makati, our meal, isipin mo, last namin na kinainan na parang yung high milk tea, di ba? Tapos meron silang rice meal. Yung isang rice meal na na pork with just rice is already 260 pesos or more. Ito 175, di ko pa maubos. Sarap, grabe. Okay, so by the way, the cost of this new battery, which is I think the YT12BS for the Ducati, is 5,100. Medyo mahal nga pero it's I don't yung battery pala nito hindi Yuasa eh. The one that I'm pretty sure that's not the original eh. Pinalitan na to yung battery ng my friend. So that I think sabi niya parang nagpalit lang siya bago niya binenta sa akin to. So I'm presuming the battery is about 3.5 years old. Yun nga, nung tinest namin, the life is like half na lang, 50+% na lang yung, tapos sinasabi poor na, so kaya pinalitan na natin. So there you go. So now we have a new battery. I'll be charging this also again when we get home using the battery tender. Yung 3 years nga feeling ko na-extend ko pa yung 3 years na yon. I'm presuming hindi aabot ng 3 years yun. If I did have a battery tender at the house, matagal ko hindi ginagamit tong motor, pina-plug in ko doon sa battery tender. And I think that's what extended the life of the battery. Kaya umabot din ako ng 3 years. I think kung wala nung remember, this is something I use baka weekends lang, hindi pa nga ako consistent na every weekend. So I think the life I was able to extend it for 3 years was because of the battery tender. Gutom ko pag wala ako ng battery tender, wala. Malabo na umabot ako ng 3 years. So guys, thank you very much. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. I'll also put the details on where I had the Yuasa battery replaced. Meron sila doon charge na labor actually, pero hindi na nila ako charge yung labor to install the battery because the good thing about this Ducati, the battery placement is so easy. There's not much you have to do to access the battery. Pag tinanggal mo yung upuan, just remove the screw of the battery, remove some of the rubber strap, yun na, okay na, kuha mo na. Diba? So hindi na talaga kailangan ng installation charge. Okay guys, thank you. Till our next ride. Boss, pwede patulak lang? Walang battery. Dali, ano ko lang. Hindi na yung battery. Boss, patulong. Dalawa tulak. Mahina yung battery eh. Balik lang. Sige, go.
Wait. Before we end this video, unfortunately, as you've noticed, we just came back again to the Yuasa outlet store. Pag-uwi ko, after the installation of the battery sa Ducati, I went to Makati. So from Manila, I went to Makati. Pagpagas ko, after ko magpagas, ayaw na mag-start. Dead. So sabi ko, okay, nagpatulak ako kay Manong gas attendant hanggang na-start namin. I got home. So sabi ko, sige, baka kailangan lang i-charge. I have a battery. Remember, I talked about the battery tender at home. So I charged it. I let it charge for overnight. So the next morning, I tried to start the Ducati. Yung unang uy, parang lakas, pero since hindi siya nag-start kaagad, yung pangalawa niya, wala na, as in hindi man yung, alam mo yung hindi man yung mahina na yung ikot na ito talagang one redondo, pangalawa ayaw na, as in dead, that the whole system, yung panel ko nag-zero out, nag-blank, alam mo yung parang nag-disconnect yung battery mo, so nag-restart ulit, lumabas yung software something, ganyan, tapos nagka-error na low voltage. So alam mo nang the battery is, it's not just weak, it's dead. So tinawag ko, so the next day, ay kinalas ko na yung battery. I didn't want to risk na itulak, baka matumirik ako in the middle ng biyahe. I brought the Vespa, hinatid ko yung battery yesterday. Tapos, pero the good thing is, here's the good thing. Okay, sabi nung tao, isang tawag lang doon sa may-ari, okay, replace. So they replaced it. They had me look into, had me check na mag-activate sila ng bagong-bago from the box. They had me even initial my name para alam ko na yun yung babalikan ko today. Kasi they really want to activate it for 8 hours. They want to charge it. So what I do not know is, according to the Yuasa, when I read it, as soon as you put the electrolytes, the battery should be at around 85%. It doesn't say that it cannot hold its charge. It says 85%. And remember, nung chinarge namin siya ng 1 hour, umakit siya ng almost 80+%. And then, binyahe ko pa uwi, which means that's another 30 to 40 minutes na biyahe. That should have charged it enough para at least kaya pa start the next day so I can use it again. Wala talaga eh. I really have a feeling I just really got a bad battery, or they activated this but they did not charge it and it sat in the shelf for a while. Kasi yun nga, takot nila, pag walang activated, walang bibili. No, but I think this one was just stuck in their shelf for a long time, even though it was activated but never charged. But I don't even wanna get into why the battery is dead. Sa akin na lang, buti they replaced it. But it was just a lot of hassle. Kasi remember, I have to ride from Makati to Manila to deliver the battery, have them activate the new one, charge it, and then come back for it the next day, or papalala move ko. But whatever the case, those are extra effort, extra expense. So balik nga dun sa issue ko eh. What if tumirik ako today and I'm somewhere and I needed the battery to get home? That's not possible if I wanted to buy a Yuasa battery, because yun nga, may activation time. Even the tawag mo dito, even the Yuasa website. Pero sa website, sabi lang nila, let it sit pag below 18 AH. This is a 12 AH. So if it's less than 18 AH, 60 minutes, so 1 hour lang, it should be good. Pero this has sat for a while na, di ba? Sabi nga nila, matagal na to naka-activate, ready to use na to. So yun din yung hindi natin alam kung paano. Did I just unfortunately get a bad battery, or was this not activated properly kasi nga matagal nakaupo doon sa display. But yun nga, the good thing is I now have a new battery. Hopefully this is going to work. So if I don't make a follow-up video, that means this battery is working. So kudos for the customer service. Palit ka agad, no questions asked. I came there, one quick call, replaced, have me sign the new box. They opened it in front of me. Ayun na, okay na. Yun lang, hassle. Pero, well, I guess that's really what you need to do with this batteries that needs activation. So talagang walang way that you can actually get a battery if it's an emergency. You really have to wait. So now it's making me now consider, matagal ko na iniisip to kasi medyo matagal ko na. Remember, my issue with the starter dati pa, sabi ko baka battery. Doon pa lang sabi ko, naisip ko na baka nga kailangan ko na bumili nung power, nung battery pack, yung the power bank na pwede mag-jumpstart ng kotse pa nga. What I'm looking for, something that is small, na kaya lang mag-jumpstart ng motor. If you guys know any that you can recommend, please put it in the comments. I'm really seriously considering. So once again, thank you very much for watching my experience in replacing the battery of the Ducati. So if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. Bye!